Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the IndieZone. This is Kathy. We have been waiting for a subpoena that we saw pop up on the case summary page in the Idaho versus Kohberger case. It has now been published on the docket and it is a bombshell. This is issued by Ann Taylor. So this is a defense subpoena. And what it states is, you are hereby commanded that, laying aside all excuses, you appear at the District Court of the 4th Judicial District of the State of Idaho in and for the County of Ada in Boise, Idaho, on January 23rd and January 24th, 2025, at 8 a.m. as a witness in the above styled matter on the part of the defendant. Next paragraph says, you are further notified that if you fail to appear at the place and time specified above, that you may be held in contempt of court, and that the aggrieved party may recover from you the sum of $100 and all damages which may be sustained by your failure to attend as a witness. This is signed by the clerk of court, as it must be, because this is being issued under the name and the power of the court. There's no name here. There are no documents here. And unlike the prior subpoena ducis tecum that Ms. Taylor issued back on December 26, 2024, that we also covered in the IndieZone, there was no language here saying that if you don't appear, you may be held in contempt of court and there may be damages assessed against you in the name of the aggrieved party as Brian C. Kohberger, because this is a person who is being subpoenaed to the courthouse at 8 o'clock a.m. on the 23rd and 24th of January, significant dates. Those are the dates of the motions to suppress evidence that are scheduled to begin, per the court's order of October 9th, 2024, to start at 9 a.m. on the 23rd and continue on, if necessary, to the 24th at 9 a.m. So this person, unnamed, is to appear an hour before. Those hearings start on both days. You can review this document by going to the Idaho cases of judicial interest, scroll down to the Kohberger case, and read it for yourself. Now, you may be wondering, is this a hostile witness? Is this someone who is friendly to Mr. Kohberger? You may want to presume that it is a hostile witness. We don't know that information, and sometimes what attorneys will do is, even for someone who is friendly toward their party, they'll issue a subpoena like this to guarantee that the person shows up. Because as the subpoena says, if this person blows off one or both of these dates and doesn't appear at the courthouse, Ada County, 8 o'clock a.m. on the 23rd and the 24th, well, the consequences, in addition to damages, are that the sheriff may be sent out to pick up this person, to be brought before Judge Hippler to give an explanation why they should not be held in contempt of court. Not saying that that will happen here, but that's sometimes what occurs and why people should never, ever disregard a subpoena. This will now conclude this episode of the IndieZone. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And thank you as always for joining us here today.